Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create this cool text decode effect using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Please note that this is my rendition of Tom Miller's pen, by same name, using vanilla JavaScript, instead of GSAP. I'll put the link to his code pen in the description. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Open your code editor, and create an HTML file. Use the link tag to include our CSS file. In the body, create a div element with class as decode. Any div that will have the decode class will undergo the animation. We'll also make the animation to go from right to left. For that, add from right class to the div element. Lastly, include our JavaScript file, using script tag. Our HTML is ready. Let's move to the CSS. First of all, let's import the ShareTech Mono font from Google Fonts. Let's do a quick CSS reset. Set margin and padding to 0. For the body, set width to 100 view width. Set height to 100 view height. Set display to flex. Set flex direction to column. Set justify content to center. Set align items to center. Set gap to 3.2 rem. Set font family to ShareTech Mono, monospace. For the decode class, set padding top and bottom to 8 pixels. Set padding left and right to 12 pixels. Set margin to 12 pixels. Set background to black. Set color to white. Set text align to center. Set font size to 1.6 rem. Set cursor to pointer. Let's define a color change animation, using the keyframe rule. It'll animate the background and font color of the element. At 0%, set background color to BADA55. Set color to black. At 100%, set background color to black. Set color to white. Here, our CSS is ready. Let's proceed to the JavaScript. Let us start by selecting all the divs with Decode class, using Document Objects Query Selector All method. Declare a car duration constant, with a value of 1/20, or 0.05. This is the duration in seconds, after which the animation for the next character will get triggered. Declare another constant, timeout duration, with a value of 0.75. This is the maximum delay in seconds, which would occur, before changing the text inside the div element. Now, iterate over elements in the node list, returned by Query Selector All, using the forEach method. Add a click event listener to each element. We'll call the animate function, which we will write in few minutes. Now, let's write a random char function, which will return a random character upon calling. Declare a variable, where we will store a string, from which random characters will get picked. I am using the alphabets from A to Z, all the numbers from 0 to 9, and some special symbols. You can also add any other symbols you want. Pick a random character, by generating an index number using math.random. We'll again use math.random to generate a random number, and use ternary operator, to check if that number is greater than 0.5. If it is, we will return the picked character, else, we will return the same picked character, but with uppercase. We'll add easing to the animation, to give it a more dramatic effect. Visit the easings.net website, where you can explore a variety of easing functions. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Ease in Expo function. Copy the function from the website, and paste it into your code. Remove the type definitions from it. Rename the function to EaseIn. Now, let's write the much-awaited animate function. It will take the event object as argument. Get the reference to element calling the function, using event object's target property. Let's clear any previous animation on the element, so that we can animate it again. Let's get the inner text of the element. Let's style the element a bit. Set its background color to the same color we used in CSS animation at 0%. Set color to black. Set pointer events to none, so that animation could not be re-triggered while an existing animation is running. For the next property, please be sure to use backticks instead of quotation marks, since we are going to use string interpolation. Set the element's animation to color change animation. Set the animation duration to kr duration multiplied by length of the text, plus the timeout duration, seconds. Now, copy the cubic bezier for the easing, from easing.net website. Set its animation delay to 0.1 seconds. Declare an empty array, which will hold the changing text of the animation. Initially, all the characters will be random. Use a for loop to generate a random character for entire length of the original text. Push the character in the new text array. set the element's inner HTML to the string created by joining the new text array. Define a variable I, with initial value as 0. It will keep a track of the number of characters animated. We'll use setInterval to repeatedly animate the characters inside the element. Using an if condition, we will clear the interval if the value of I reaches or exceeds the text's length, that is, all the characters present in the element are animated. Now, declare an empty array T, which will contain a mix of original characters that are already animated, and random characters. Since we also have to animate from right to left, we will check if the element's class list has a from right class. If it is not present, the beginning of the new text will have original characters, while it will end with a random character. Use for loop to push original characters into the T array, up to ith character. Use another for loop, with initial value as I+1. It will run for the remaining length of text. Push a random character into the T array. Now, if the element's class list has the from right class, the new text will have random characters in the beginning, while original characters will be at the end. We will calculate the index from the end of the text, from where to animate the characters. Up to the part index, we will push random characters in the T array, and after that, we will push the original characters. Let's calculate the eased progress of animation, by calling the ease-in function. The progress of the animation would be the ratio of number of characters animated, to the total number of characters. Let's use the setTimeout to update the text inside the development. This will allow us to animate text at different speed each time. If the progress reaches 1, that is, if the animation is completed, we'll clear the timeout. Set the element's pointer events to auto. Set the background color to black and color to white. Update the text inside the element by joining the T array. Set the delay of timeout to eased progress, multiplied by the timeout duration constant, multiplied by 1000, since the delay is in milliseconds. In the code block of setInterval, increment the value of I variable by 1. Set the delay of setInterval to kr duration constant, multiplied by 1000. Here, our final project is ready. Let's see the preview. As you can see, it is looking great. So, that's all for today. Hope you would have enjoyed the tutorial. You can find the entire source code for this, and previous projects, on my Patreon. Please be sure to drop a like on the video, and subscribe to my channel, for more such tutorials. I will see you next time. Till then, good luck, and peace.